Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can disable Talkback on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s if you have Talkback enabled, and now you can figure out how to access settings and disable Talkback. Let me show you what you need to do. So the first thing that we need to do is access settings. You can, for instance, use two fingers together in order to swipe through the home screen. So if you have settings on a different home screen page, then this is how you can switch. You can also use both fingers in order to open all apps. And then you can scroll down using your both fingers once again. So keep that in mind that you need to use both fingers to scroll. There we go. Until we find settings, which should be over here. Once you select settings, you need to double tap it. And now we need to scroll down to find the appropriate settings, which are accessibility settings over here. So let's double tap it. Then we need to go to Talkback. So let's select it and then double tap once again. And finally over here we have use Talkback, so select it and double tap to disable it, confirm that we want to stop. There we go. And now Talkback should be enabled and you should be able to use your phone normally once again. And that's it, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.